Want to know why the distributor failed in that race against Sorta Stock Mopars?
Oh no! What is it?
I did bring the other distributor.
Oh, did you?
It's right there, the whole thing.
Oh shit! No bueno.
No way.
They're not supposed to do that.
No.
Did it come loose?
That one's coming loose, it seems like. I mean, the pin is pulled out through the hole. Yeah, there you go. Oh, well, I was gonna give it back to my coffee.
Yeah. It's closer. Why won't it come apart, dude?
I don't know, dude. We pulled the clip out of there.
Yeah, the clip is out.
It wants to keep its secrets.
I don't know why. What the hell's holding it together?
There it goes. It's coming. It looked like it was anyway.
Yeah, it is.
There you go. All right.
Yahtzee. I think those are.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, well, at this point, the splines are gone. Well, and I'm thinking possibly that it just wasn't compressed enough when they put it together. However they do it, it should have been like whatever that shaft went on there, it needed to go down like another 1/16 of an inch to tighten it all up. I think when they compressed everything together, it just wasn't enough. Because that collar and stuff that's in there, where did the white collar go? Like this collar, that bushing, it should have forced everything further down. But the movement in there, that 1/16 of an inch was enough to wear the splines out.
Yeah. It's probably, I mean, this might be a newer Chrysler distributor. I mean, it looks brand new, so it's probably a newer one. The metallurgy of this thing is probably crappy, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, you start using Chinese crappy metal, and if it didn't have enough bite on it, zing.
Yeah.
But it was loose in there though too, so that didn't help.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the teeth aren't really chewed up on here. So this metal's probably stronger, you know. It seems like there's enough spline there that it's as thick as this.
Yeah.
Although it's not quite the same thickness.
Yeah, they could have put a little bit more,
If they
like a quarter inch of spline on
splined
there.
it a little bit further. But us breaking this apart, this was already like this, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That didn't cause this.
No.
So
It was already done before we got it.
So you think at the factory they pressed it on? Like
I think Coffee knows the guy that we were running against, and he intentionally sabotaged give us a bad distributor.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, actually. He probably had money on this
I'm sure.
race.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, shit.
Well, at least you know how this stuff comes apart.
Yeah. Now you know.